Welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use an e-file to shape your nail extensions. E-file is short for electronic file, and they make filing your nails so much quicker. It's a much faster way to shape your nails than using regular nail files. So let's get right into it. If you have any questions about anything I'm doing, just leave a comment down below. I just got this e-file in the mail, and you can get this one on Amazon for around $20. So just opening it up here. And this one came with some drill bit tips and a few sanding bands. So this first one is an emery tool that you use with a sanding band. So this shapes nails just like a normal nail file. And the next one is a buffing tool. This polishes nails to give it a shine. And this other one is a buffing one, just a bit finer and smaller. It's good for surface work. And then this cone-shaped one is a shaping tool, which flattens and smooths thick nails and rippled surfaces. And then this little pudgy one is a fine shaping tool, so you can carve into corners and spots that are hard to reach and get rid of hangnails. And lastly, this needle bit is a cuticle pusher, and you can remove dead skin and clean up your cuticles. Then we've got the stand where you can rest the e-file on. You don't have to use this, but they include it if you want it. And then we've got the actual machine itself. First you have the on-off switch, and then is a reverse switch, so you can switch from spinning right to left or left to right. And this is a speed control knob where you can control the RPM or how fast the drill bit spins. And then other than that, it has a regular wall plug. I have had a battery operated one before that doesn't have a cord, but those really aren't super powerful enough really to do anything, so I do recommend one with a plug. And then this is the handheld part of the e-file. Just has an on-off switch and a hole to put the drill bit in and the cord to plug into the main part. It also came with some directions on a piece of paper. So to test this, we can go ahead and plug the cord in, and I'll put a drill bit in. I'll pick the needle one and just kind of push it in so it's snug. You can usually leave about your pinky width left. Then first you want to turn on the toggle on the machine first so the lamp lights up. Then turn on the direction. And then you can turn the switch on the toggle on the actual handheld part. It's a little hard to see it actually spinning in the video, but the drill bit is spinning here. And if I turn the speed knob, it will spin faster. So I'll set those aside for a second while I add my nail extensions. So these are my natural nails. I went ahead and prepped them, and then I added the extensions using IBD Builder Gel that hardens in a UV lamp. And I used these ASP nail forms, so it's super quick and easy. If you want to watch me do that step by step, you can watch a previous video on that. So once you put them in the lamp and they harden, they look like this, and you just pop off the nail form. So now we've got the extensions, and we just need to file the tips down to the length that we want. So I'll go ahead and pick the sanding drill bit, and I'll put a sanding band on it. It should just kind of slide on, but it should be pretty snug. And then, just like before, I put this into the tip of the drill bit, and then I'll turn the machine on, and we're ready to go. So now I'll just start sanding the tip here, just going very slowly. I have the speed down to the lowest setting, so I can be a little bit more precise, but you can go faster if you want. My favorite nail shape is a shorter almond shape, so I kind of round each side, both right and left, and then I round out the top. Then I'll use some nail polish remover to remove the dust. And this part isn't really necessary, but I'm switching drill bits here to clean up the cuticle and underneath a bit. The underside is a little bit thick, so I'm gonna thin that out a bit. And then for the cuticle, I'm just trying to make sure that the gel isn't touching the sides of my nail, otherwise it might cause some lifting and pop off quickly. And that is the first nail, all shaped and cleaned. Next, I'll get started on the pointer finger. So here's what it looks like before. So again, I'll just gently kind of shape that down. And that is what it looks like after. Now I'll go ahead and do the rest of the nails. So one thing to keep in mind is when you're switching from the right side of the nail to the left side of the nail, this is where you want to switch that reverse toggle. And you'll know when you need to switch it because it kind of feels like it's spinning in the wrong direction if you have the toggle going the wrong way. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. So here, I'll go ahead and let you watch me finish up shaping these final two nails. And that is the final look. So that's how to use an e-file on nail extensions. These nails will last you at least several weeks. And for now, I'm just going to leave these clear, but if you do want to, you can add any colored polish on top. I feel like this e-file is super easy to use. I highly recommend getting one if you're going to be doing your nails a lot on your own and you just want to speed up that filing process. But let me know what you think about this look. And if you have any questions, just let me know by commenting down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video.